Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're unlocking the mystery of WhatsApp, especially how to tell if someone has blocked you. It's a question we've all asked, so let's get straight into unraveling this together. First things first, WhatsApp values user privacy, meaning they don't make it blatantly obvious when you've been blocked. However, there are subtle signs you can look for. Stick around as I guide you through these indicators step by step. So, the first indicator is your messages don't get delivered. When you send a message, look for the check marks. One gray check mark means sent, two means delivered. If your messages perpetually show just one check, they might not be reaching the person, possibly because you've been blocked. Indicator 2. If their profile photo seems frozen in time and never updates, it could be another clue. When blocked, you won't see any new photos they upload. Also, if you used to see their last seen or online status at the top but it's suddenly gone, it might be a hint. Remember, the privacy settings can also hide this info, so it's not a surefire sign. So indicator 4 is a direct approach to try calling them via WhatsApp. If your calls never connect or ring, it's another potential sign. Like the others, this isn't definitive on its own as there could be other reasons for call failures. So what does it all mean? If you're noticing all these signs together, it's likely you've been blocked. There you have it, the subtle signs that might indicate you've been blocked on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.